Welcome back to Engine. Today, we're about to take a look at something that's never been seen before, a 2026 Ferrari motorhome truck. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari, known for their high-performance sports cars, has ventured into the world of luxury motorhomes, and it's every bit as incredible as you'd imagine. Let's start with the exterior design, because it's unmistakably Ferrari. The 2026 motorhome truck borrows a lot from their signature sports cars, with sleek, aerodynamic curves and an aggressive stance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels. With a low-slung profile and a bold color palette that includes Ferrari's iconic Rosso Casa red, this motorhome truck screams luxury from every angle. It's not just functional, it's designed to turn heads wherever you go. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome truck is equally impressive. Powered by a hybrid V12 engine, this truck combines Ferrari's legendary performance with eco-friendly technology. Whether you're pulling into a scenic mountain pass or cruising down the highway, this motorhome has the power to match its looks. The engine delivers an exhilarating experience, something you wouldn't expect from a typical motorhome. Ferrari's hybrid system provides both high torque and impressive fuel efficiency, so you'll get all the performance you crave, without compromising on range. Inside, Ferrari has completely redefined what a motorhome can be. The interior is pure luxury, leather upholstery, advanced materials, and a design that mirrors the refinement of their sports cars. The lounge area feels like a private jet, with plush seating and panoramic windows that offer incredible views of the open road. And yes, there's a full kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a spacious bedroom, and even a bathroom designed to feel like a five-star hotel. Whether you're on the move or parked in a scenic location, you'll feel like you're staying in a luxury suite. What truly sets the Ferrari motorhome apart is the integration of technology. Ferrari's cutting-edge infotainment system includes a fully customizable interface, voice-activated controls, and advanced navigation systems to ensure you always know where you're headed. The motorhome also features a suite of driver assistance technologies, including lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automated parking, making it as easy to handle as one of their sports cars. But what about off-road adventures? The 2026 Ferrari motorhome truck comes with a fully adjustable suspension system, allowing you to tackle more rugged terrain with ease. It's not just a road-going luxury vehicle, it's built for all types of adventures, whether you're on the highway or exploring remote locations. The 2026 Ferrari motorhome truck is the ultimate blend of speed, luxury, and comfort. It takes the Ferrari legacy to new heights, offering not just a place to sleep, but a fully immersive experience. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy the thrill of the open road while indulging in Ferrari's signature style. Thanks for watching Engine. If you're as excited about this incredible motorhome as we are, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation.